Hello friends, Min from On a Stamp Page here. I am super excited to be participating in this month's Crafters Castle Challenge. We are always anything goes, and this month, as always, we are sponsored by TaylorMade Cards for You. And I'm super excited because I'm going to show you how I made these darling little tags. I used a bunch of different scraps and things that I had around, plus I used these darling images, this little Santa and this little angel, from the Vintage Christmas Images kit, which I'll link below. These are the different images that you get in this set. There are 9 of them. And when I first saw them, I thought these are gonna be so perfect for making cute little tags. So I'm gonna show you how I put these together, and I'm gonna show you all the little bits and bobs that I have. And I'm going to be using this darling little Frosty the Snowman image. So let me move these away. So I've got my little Frosty. I've got a couple of different little halves of doilies because I'm not sure what color I want to use. I've got a little piece of blue for a border. I've got a couple different tags that I die cut out with a die cut from Close to My Heart. And then along with those, I have these little tabs that go with them. I've got a couple different colors of those. And then I've got some ribbon that I'm going to be using up top, which I'll just set off to the side. And then I've got these stars. One of them got stuck on something. So I've got these stars that I've had in my stash for years that I was like, okay, they're coming out. They're making a comeback. I'm gonna use some dimensional foam, obviously my scissors and my glue runner and stuff, and then hopefully this little glittery red heart. Okay, so I'm gonna look, and I'm actually thinking I might wanna do this red and green. I think that goes really well with Frosty. So I'm going to set these ones aside for a different project. And what I'm actually going to start doing is I'm going to create the decorated part of the tag. And for this, I used the patterned paper tag to kind of give some more interest. And I'm thinking, since I'm using this blue, I'm going to use the red doily. So I'm just going to adhere that to the tag. And then because it's not 100% the size that I want, I'm gonna go ahead and trim it. Next, I'm gonna add my little glittery piece. And now I'm going to add the tab, and I'm not sure if I want to use the green. I think I want to use the green. I'm already liking the contrast. And I'm going to actually staple this on so that it stays in place nicely. Okay, so now I have this focal, like glittery pattern textured part done. And so now I'm going to adhere it to this piece. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to make it a little bit off-centered like this, so that my little snowman can kind of be a little bit off here, but then it still gives it a little bit of a border. And the way that I do this is I'm going to take some double-sided tape. This is score tape, and I'm going to put one piece here, and then I'm going to put one piece here. And that's all the tape that I need to keep these two together, because score tape is nice and sturdy. And then I'm just going to line up the holes and push down, and now it's completely adhered. So now that I've got the tag part done, I'm going to just kind of use my little snowman and some other things to embellish it. So now I have my tag completely done except for the ribbons. And so what I've done is I have chosen 3 different ribbons. 2 of them are this nice satin ribbon, some deep red and then white, and then this nice burlap ribbon to give it some texture. And I'm going to layer these together so that the tips are all together. And then I'm going to use the tip to push through the hole and for me to pull through. And then I'm going to take this green and white baker's twine and I'm going to pull it around to the back. And I'm going to tie a bow to keep these ribbons in place. It just gives another little add of color and texture when I do this. And there I have my darling completed tag with my little snowman. I absolutely love this. Let's bring them all back out. Thank you so much, you guys, for stopping by today to take a peek at my tutorial. I hope you join us at Crafters Castle. I hope that you take some time to craft today. And don't forget to go to Tailor Made Cards for You and grab these darling vintage images so that you can do some holiday crafting too. Until next time, hugs and happy holiday crafting, friends. Bye.